Hi guys.
Get your safety glasses on.
Okay, so today we're doing a very exciting thing. We're at school on our last day ever. And we're making slime. Ta-da! So we got all the official chemicals that we now know all of the A-level chemistry about. And Laura's here. And so, Maya, Liv, Abby,
I'm gonna take your blazer off.
Grace,
Boy, like, hi.
Laura, and also our teacher, who's not in it. So, peace.
Why do I look like that?
So this is this chemistry squad.
Chemistry class
No,
teacher.
Abby,
Abby,
can you
I
just
need
one?
more
Come on, just
glasses.
once. Yay! So we've got our glue, and we've got
Oh my god, you're doing
Colour.
a tutorial.
yeah, and we've got more colour, and we also have our binder. Is that what she says?
I don't know, it's not.
Solution, contact
That's
solution.
annoying. No, like they figure out it's
No, this makes it look like chemistry.
You need them all in like order. What, in the lab coats and the...
We've got our lab coats. Always wear your safety glasses all the way through the experiment, and your lab coats.
And your hair
You gotta
tied
film us
back.
doing it.
Yes, this is true. This is true. Very important for you. Oh my gosh, we should put our heads above it so it looks like we've got our heads on it. You know what I mean?
I did 16.5.
Oh, Liv, that's crap.
How are you gonna get? You can't swear in your videos.
Watch my baking video.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Can't open it. I'm weak.
Wow. Oh.
Boo.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, were you
I was
asking me to
asking
help?
you to help. Yes.
Sorry, I like how
Just
like.
went in your slime.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, just went...
No, don't lie.
No, I'm not lying. I don't think it's done anything.
Okay, that's fine.
Whoa!
That's so gross. My legs. Ew, don't make sense. So now we've currently made all the slime. It's absolute carnage because everyone's just throwing it.
It's the hot potato.
Hot potato.
Oh, sorry. I can't follow everything that's happening.
That was when I hate your camera.
Careful, I've got a ring light.
Yeah,
Two
this
ring
is
lights.
You said ringworm.
No, but I have got psoriasis.
So we're doing.
I want that slime.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is what Shane Dawson does. I'm just saying.
Wow. It's not my phone, it's Grace's.
Do a bubble. Blow into it.
There's not enough space. Can someone move the scales?
Wow.
Okay, that's too close for my personal space.
Oh, that was so good.
I feel attacked.
Look, if you had another leg here.
Oh, I just ruined it.
Yeah, that's what ruined it.
No, I mean,
Why is his legs joined together?
No, that was his jaw.
Jawline, his bicycle.
It looks like a frog.
Should we join it all together, all the slime?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's
You ready,
join
guys?
the
Wait,
slime.
put my slime in. Put it all in like this.
You can put this one in too.
Don't tell me, Olivia. It's supposed to be secret.
Oh my god, this looks insane.
On my days.